Don't panic if you or someone you know has been arrested. If you yourself have been arrested and you're watching this video, you've already gone through the process. It can be especially concerning if you're there when a family member or a close friend is arrested by the police. A lot of times, the police are not going to give you any notice that a warrant is out for someone's arrest. If they do so, a lot of times people will leave the state, sometimes leave the country. They don't want to give people notice that they're about to arrest them. Most people are not going to do that, but that's why the police aren't going to tell you in advance that there's a warrant out for your arrest. So a lot of times it's going to be unexpected. And when it's unexpected, it's a surprise and it's going to cause a lot of stress and anxiety. So let's say you're at home with your significant other. It's early in the morning, you hear a knock on the door, it's police. They tell you they have a warrant. They come into your home and they arrest your significant other. It's rather sudden. They put them in handcuffs, they put them in the car, and you're like, well, what do I do next? The first thing that you can do is you need to figure out what police agency has just arrested that person. And when I say police agency, I mean, was it a local police department? Was it the sheriff's department? In some cases, it could be U.S. Marshals if it's a federal case. Find out who it was that arrested that person. The next step you can take is you can call that police department or police agency and find out where they're taking this person that's just been arrested, okay? So that's number one, because sometimes they'll take them to a police department jail and they'll actually be able to bond out from that jail. And so you'll see them, in a couple hours. It won't take that long. However, in places like Tarrant County and Dallas County, if the police arrest someone you know and you want to find out where they're going, a lot of times they're going to be transported to the Dallas County Jail or the Tarrant County Jail. And that process can take 6 to 12 hours. If you're in a position like that, you need to call either the Dallas County Jail or the Tarrant County Jail. They will let you know when that person is there. If they're not there yet, they'll tell you that. They'll tell you to call back a couple hours later, and then they'll let you know when a bond has been set. Because most of the time, unless someone already has pending cases, they've been arrested for something else, a judge is going to set a bond. And when I say a judge is going to set a bond, that means a magistrate that works at the jail is going to set the bond, okay? You're not going to be able to see your loved one until a bond is set. If a bond is set, you can pay that bond in two ways. You can pay it directly to the county, which I don't advise because you're going to be paying the full amount. Find a really good bond company online that has a 5-star Google review. Call them. They will actually contact the jail for you. They'll let you know when a bond has been set. You pay them a percentage of that bond. It's usually between 6 and 10%. Once you do that, the bond company will pay that bond to the county. And then once your loved one or friend is processed, meaning the jail has processed the bond information, has your friend or family member's personal information, they will release them and they'll let you know when that person will be released, okay? If you have any questions about bond, you can find us on the web at versusTexas.com. Contact us and we can explain to you the bond process.